Hi and hello, I'm ATHEENAPANDIAN here. Welcome to the ATHEENAPANDIAN channel once again. So in this video, I'm going to give some of the few informations regarding the biomedical science. Everyone is talking about biomedical engineering, coming under, there are so many subdomains are there like biomechanics, rehabilitation, bioimaging, biosignaling, all these kind of the things are okay. The most important scenario in the technological related science makes many role in the healthcare is concerned. For example, we are struggling to find out some of the few medicines and few diagnostic tools because of we are lag in science. Maybe everywhere we can able to find out the biomedical engineering institutions, biomedical engineering labs, biomedical instrumentation related companies, but we are not supposed to find as much as equal to the biomedical engineering. Biomedical science is not available. Most of the students are not willing to study biomedical science. But you know something, many of the countries, those who are all interested in healthcare science, the first preference they are given to biomedical science. See, in the instrumentation part, there are so many equipments are there for the diagnostic purpose and also for the therapeutic purpose. What the role of the sciences? Everyone is thinking about the science is nothing but only the biochemistry lab, pathology lab, and like one step forward. You can supposed to go particularly many lab. For example, for example, you can find out the best example we can take 3D printing technology. In the healthcare is concerned, we can talking about the bio 3D printing technology. Every biomedical engineer should know the worth of bio ink, bio printing, bio printer. Nowadays, organ transplantation, the skin transplantation, organ transplantation, they call it as a mafia. All these kind of the things illegally happen because of not donor is available. Particularly, somebody of them catch the under middle class people and do something illegally to take the organ transplant procedure impossible. But once the bioprinting technologies come into the market, this is more helpful for the transplantation purpose. We can create an artificial organ instead of waiting for the donor, instead of catching someone. We can able to find out the solution for it. So what is the relationship between the science and this bioprinting technology? See, 70% of role, in fact you can able to take 80% of the role to create an artificial organ is science. Here we can't able to find out any instrumentational technological related or artificial intelligence related something. This is full of making an organ artificially instead of using the normal materials, PLA, polylactic acid or something like that in the ceramics related or metallic implants related. The particular bio ink can able to created by the own cell. We can able to create that thing through the stem cells. We can able to create that thing through some of the developed cells. So we need to develop the particular cell, and then we are supposed to create the particular bio ink and inject into the bioprinter to create the model. The saddest thing we can find out is very limited bio printing technologies available in India. In some cases, we can deeply say still we are not getting an approval from the regulatory, maybe. So because of that reason, and at the same time because of not getting an exposure of that particular bioprinting technology, still organ transplantation is there, not using the bioinks. But in many of the countries, particularly Canada, USA, some of the countries in Europe, They are doing this particular bioprinting technology frequently. So this is one sector. So this is full of science related. Bio ink you need to be created. Okay, bio ink you need to create, and you just place something on the science related things to create the particular bio ink. Once the bio ink is created, then you have just injected that into the printer. That is a separate printer there for each and every purpose. So for the organ transplantation, for the organ creation, we can able to use that particular thing and we can make it into the artificial organ. So if this particular thing is frequently happen, if this particular thing is getting a more exposure around the country which is not aware about this bioprinting technology, then organ transplantation is very simple. So we are not waiting for the donors. There is no any illegal activities happen once this particular technology is available. Okay, so this is what the science is most important. We need to study much more about bio inks is what, bio printer is what, how the process done, how the transplantation takes place. This is first point. So this is full of science only. Then you can go for the biopharmaceuticals, go for the radioisotopes. All these are coming under the physics and science, and rather we can go for the technology like artificial intelligence. These are all the science related things. And still there are so many things, my dears. Everyone is talking about the IEEE journals. We must know about the journal called Science. We must know about the journal called Nature. Every engineers and every faculties, researchers, scholars, they must have an idea about to publish a papers in the Nature journal, papers in the Science journal. Okay, so this is what, because of not having an exposure of this in bioscience, biomedical engineering people are struggling to find out the job in some cases. But it is very easy to find out the job. In many of the video I told you, but still they are not getting a clear exposure of biomedical engineering. In biomedical science is concerned, that is a life science related, and we can able to create a product that can able to use it for the internal organs. Rather you are finding something, rather you are giving a therapeutical treatment externally. This bioscience can able to create the science into the next level. That is what I can able to say. Okay, so mark my words. So try to study, even though the biomedical science is not available in many of the colleges. Biomedical engineering students choose the domain as biomedical science to do the projects. Write a research paper relating to the bioprinting technology. Publish a journal relating to the bio inks and some of the technologies that is required for getting an exposure about the science. Okay, technology have some limits there. Technology have some limits. At once it's crossed the limits, it may cause some illegal effects to them. And so it crosses the limit, it will cause some serious damages to the technological followers. But the science is nothing but our human body. Because our human body is full of science, not technology. So this is what we need to study about our own science first of all, and try to knowing about each and every organ's the science. There are so many things over there inside it. Each and every organs, you just study about the functionality and the physiological structure and what actually the deep function they can able to give. Just is unimaginable things has happened in the human body itself. So we are trying to the science on behalf of our human body. We are not supposed to waiting for any other technology which is creating some of the bad things in the futures. But the science should not be create anything in the damage in the future. This is what the importance of science. So every biomedical engineer should know about the science clearly, what actually the biomedical science is, what actually the biological science is, what actually the bioscience is. All these things are most important for the biomedical engineering is concerned. Okay, so keep doing that. Try to learn something about the biomedical science. That is most important for our future healthcare. Thank you very much.